Hello, everyone. Good day. Here we are again with our weekly analysis and forecast. So, for this weekend, I'm going to talk about our US dollar, our EU, GU, and AJ. Okay? So, first things first, I want to go to our economic calendar. So, for next week, we have our bank holiday for JPY and GBP on Monday. Then on Tuesday, we have our red folder around lunchtime in my time zone for Australian dollar. Then on Wednesday, we have our Euro bank holiday for French. Then on Thursday, we also have our bank holiday for EU. So we also have our red folder on that day around New York session for GBP. Then on Friday, we have red folder for GBP at around London session. Okay, so now that we're done, we go back to our chart. So here we are at our dollar chart. This is a daily time frame. So before I start, I would like to say that for next week, I'm happy to announce that I think we will have a better market. So there will be higher probability trades for us. Because next week, I'll be expecting a pro trend for our US dollar, for GU, for EU, and for AJ and NJ as well. Because New Zealand dollar versus JPY moves with the or correlated with the Australian dollar versus JPY. So now I want to explain further. You might wanna ask what's pro trend. So pro trend, that's why I mentioned earlier, is tends to give us a higher probability trade. And actually, I know some traders who only trades during pro trend. Now, what is pro trend? Pro trend is where price moves from IRL to ERL. Some of the traders, they don't trade when price is from ERL going towards IRL. They choose to wait for price to hit our IRL, which is this FBG. Then they ride it going up. And they have their own reasons, and I can see the reason why. Because when we say pro trend, as you can see, if you will look into your charts and you can back test this, that every time price is in IRL and going towards ERL, it is always that price is moving along with the overall trend. As you can see here, the overall trend here in our daily time frame is bullish. And as you can see, price went up, down, down. So there's a high probability that price will go next going towards the ERL. Okay, so the logic here is like you're swimming along with the wave and not against the wave. Okay, so that's the logic for this pro trend. Now, we all know that dollar is correlated with EU and GU, but in the opposite way. Okay, so now As you can see, US dollar, our bias for this is bullish. So our expectation, or my expectation for this, is that price will next move towards the ERL. But there are conditions to follow. We don't just get in and just trade right away. So the first condition that we need is that price, if we go down to our intermediate time frame, we must see that price will have or break this intermediate time frame, change state of delivery. Now, for me personally, I will not trade yet for this dollar unless price is already above our change in state of delivery. Okay, so now that we know that US dollar is bullish, let's check out our EU. Okay, so for EU, let's check. And I will also show to you that pro trend is also visible here. As you can see, price went up, hit our IRL. So my expectation for EU next week is that it will be bearish. Okay, so we have our sell side liquidities here, and here's our ERL. So my expectation for EU next week will be bearish. Now, as you can see, here is our pro trend. Clearly, you can see that the overall trend is bearish, going down. So, expected next will be going down. Okay? And we all know that same goes to GU, because GU and EU are like twins. So, see this? As you can see here, price also went up, hit our IRL, and look how price pushed it down. Now, the difference between EU and GU is that EU has not hit its CSD yet. But for GU, if we go down to our intermediate time frame, which is the 1 hour, as you can see, price has already moved below our CSD line. So come Monday, for those London session traders, maybe you want to check this out. Check out GU during London session. Maybe you can get a good trade out of this, because price has already went down below our CSD. In short, price has already made its change in state of delivery. Okay? So, London traders, London session traders, shout out to you. You can check this out on Monday. Okay? Now, let's go to our Asian session pair, which is the AJ. Okay? For AJ, let's go back to our daily time frame. As you can see, price has also reached our IRL here. And now, so my expectation for AJ this coming week is that this will go up. So we have a bullish bias for this. And just like the rest of the pairs, this is a pro trend, because we're moving from IRL to ERL. So we're expecting a high probability trade for this if we only follow our bias. So as you can see, if you see the overall trend, price is going up. Okay, so this will be a smooth trade for us, hopefully, this coming week. So if we go down to our 1 hour or intermediate time frame, as you can see, we also broke above our intermediate time frame CSD. So it means that we are officially bullish now. So this coming Monday, I already marked my chart for my trading zone. So hopefully price will give us a good entry and get a stock so we can have our trades somewhere here on Monday. So that's it. So I hope everything is clear that compared to ERL going to IRL, it is better or higher probability to trade during IRL, VRL. It's like swimming along with a wave. Okay? So I hope that's all clear, and I hope you learned something from this video. So once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. So when Monday comes, you can watch again this video to review, so you can have more idea on what to expect for this coming week. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to like my videos, and then click the notification bell, and you can share this with your friends and family who are into day trading, especially Forex. Okay, so thank you for watching, and until next time. So this is me, AlfoxDayTrader, saying adios.